Number 1. 1985 Ford F150, price $5,800, with only 29,000 miles, featuring a red exterior, tan interior, and an automatic transmission. Powered by a 351 engine with a 3-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive, it has a fully undercoat, rust-free frame. Upgrades include electric locks and windows, a 4-barrel Edelbrock EVS2 carburetor, added rear leaf springs, and a towing kit. It sits on new M/T tires, with a refreshed front end featuring new wheel hubs, bearings, and brakes. The fuel system has been updated with a new pump, filters, and a clean tank and lines, while a new grille and radiator enhance its appearance. Inside, the truck boasts an excellent condition interior with new, fully functional AC and heat. It comes with a clean Tennessee title and the original owner's manual in the glove box. The only minor quirks are a slightly high idle, which may benefit from a carburetor tune-up, and a tailgate latch that can be finicky. Number 2. 1995 GMC 1500, price $8,935, a well-maintained classic truck that combines vintage charm with modern appeal. This truck is powered by a robust 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and reliable driving experience. It has been driven for 251,000 miles but remains in excellent condition, free of rust and leaks. The exterior is finished in sleek black, complemented by a silver leather interior that adds a touch of sophistication. It sits on stylish hostel wheels, enhancing its bold and aggressive stance. With a clean title, this Sierra has had only 2 owners and has never been involved in an accident. This is a rare opportunity to own a classic truck that not only looks incredible but also performs exceptionally well. Number 3. 1971 Ford F100, price $6,250, with 133,000 miles on the odometer. This truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It is finished in a sleek black exterior, giving it a bold and timeless look. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 351 Windsor engine equipped with a double-pumper carburetor for enhanced performance. Recent upgrades include new brakes, a new water pump, and a new distributor, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Additionally, the truck has received fresh paint, new seatbelts, functional wipers, updated wiring, new spark plugs, and a new battery. To enhance both its aesthetics and driving experience, it has been fitted with brand new Mickey Thompson tires and chrome specialty rims, adding a striking and aggressive stance to the vehicle. Number 4. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, featuring an automatic transmission and a sleek silver exterior, has been upgraded with a newly built 383-stroker motor with only 50 miles on it. It is paired with a TH350 transmission with a shift kit, an Eagle small block Chevy street/strip rotating assembly, a Big Mother Thumb retrofit hydraulic roller camshaft, and Speedmaster aluminum heads and lifters. A 4.11 rear end and a 4-inch rear flip kit enhance performance and stance. Riding on American racing rims with nearly new tires with approximately 500 miles of use, this truck also features Hedman headers and a Flowmaster Super 44 exhaust for a deep, aggressive tone. With a clean title, this well-maintained classic is built for both power and style. Number 5. 1998 GMC 1500, price $3,000. This is a solid truck for its age, though it does require some attention in certain areas. It runs and drives but will eventually need an engine rebuild to perform at its best. The exterior is finished in a classic green color, while the interior features a tan upholstery that is in decent condition, rated a 7 out of 10. This truck is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive, and it runs on gasoline. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, it still has potential for the right owner willing to put in some work. Additionally, it comes with brand new aftermarket headlights and taillights, enhancing both its appearance and visibility on the road. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000, with 89,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission, ensuring reliable performance. The exterior sports a sleek black finish, complemented by a matching black interior. This C10 runs and drives well, making it a great cruiser, especially with its eye-catching candy paint scheme. It has been lowered on rally wheels, enhancing its stance and overall appeal. The truck is equipped with LED lighting, and while the air conditioning system is not functional, all components are still in place. The window motors operate but are somewhat slow. Additionally, the windows are tinted, adding to its cool and stylish look. The RPM gauge and speedometer are slightly inaccurate, but the truck has recently received a fresh tune-up, ensuring it remains in great driving condition.
Number 7.
1986 Chevrolet C20, price $7,000. Under the hood, it is powered by a rebuilt 454 engine, paired with a rebuilt 3-speed transmission, delivering strong and dependable power. Several essential components have been replaced, including a brand new windshield, fuel tank, fuel sending unit, fuel pump, and fuel lines, ensuring a smooth and efficient fuel system. The truck has also received a new window motor and vent glass, improving both functionality and aesthetics. For added comfort and convenience, it comes equipped with power steering, power door locks, power windows, and cruise control, making it a pleasure to drive. While the truck runs well and is in good mechanical condition, it does require some carburetor adjustments to achieve optimal performance.
Number 8.
1984 Chevrolet S10, price $5,200. It has an automatic transmission, a black exterior and interior, and a built 355 engine board .30 over with new pistons and a strong cam. It features a 650 Holley carburetor, MSD6A ignition, electric fans, an aluminum radiator, and a TH350 transmission that shifts well but needs a new shifter. Upgrades include a new alternator, lowered suspension, a new front bumper, roll pan, tail lights, fog lights, and halo headlights. Not a show truck but a solid 20-foot hot rod, it has some rust on the bed, a cab corner, and both rocker panels, though the frame and suspension remain strong. It rides on rally wheels with worn front tires that cause vibrations, while the rear tires are in decent condition.
Number 9.
1971 Ford F150, price $5,500, equipped with a 360 FE engine and a C6 automatic transmission. It runs and drives well, featuring a newly installed front coil spring suspension, polyurethane bushings in the I-beams, and brand new shocks all around. The braking system has been almost entirely replaced, except for the rear drums, and includes a new brake booster. Additionally, it has a Petronix billet distributor and a new exhaust system from the manifolds back. This truck has a striking green exterior that matches its green interior, giving it a timeless vintage appeal. It runs on gasoline and, like most FA engines, tends to run hot. The sale also includes spare parts, and for the right price, the West Coast Junior mirrors can be included.
Number 10.
1979 GMC 1500, price $6,500. This is a classic pickup truck that has traveled 100,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. Painted in a clean white exterior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 350 small block Chevy engine. This truck is in good running and driving condition, with several recent upgrades. It has been fitted with a new carburetor, a new distributor along with fresh plugs and wires, and brand new wheels and tires. Additionally, new chrome accents have been added throughout, enhancing its overall appearance. All necessary hookups for air conditioning are in place, and the system can be fully charged at the full asking price.